can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be doing a sponsored video from HYBE.com. They are going to be sponsoring us to do this online Hypebeast mystery box video. If you guys do end up enjoying though, leave a like on it, subscribe down below, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Go ahead and leave me some video ideas in the comments below, but you should only be using this website if you are 18 years or over. If you're under 18, just don't consider it, just leave it be. And even if you are 18, please make sure that you know what you're doing before you go ahead and hop on this website, because there is a chance that you might win or you might lose. Now, one thing that I do want to stress about these websites is that the ones that I work with are provably fair. There's no favors for me. I'm getting the same chances that you guys would have if you were to use this website. So I might go ahead and take a big loss today, or I might go ahead and win. You just never know. I'm honestly feeling lucky, but I don't know, bro. Sometimes I end up coming out with shit. Sometimes I end up winning. It's just a gamble. So go ahead and make sure that you know what you're doing before you enter these websites. Don't use your rent money on this. None of that. Okay, so before we go ahead and open some of these boxes, there are a couple things that I want to go ahead and cover for you guys. One of them being that when you register, you can actually go ahead and enter your email, and they will send you promo codes to your email with free boxes, free discounts, and many different things like that, which is honestly a big thing because you can go ahead and get a free box and get something big from it, and you don't even have to spend anything. So all you have to do is honestly enter your email and subscribe to their newsletter. To enter a promo code, in case you guys do subscribe, all you have to do is click this bottom arrow on the right corner, and then it says promo codes right there. You enter the promo code and apply it, and you should have a free box. Another thing that I do want to talk about is the advent calendar. So for Christmas, they're going to be doing 25 days of free boxes. Honestly, since we're on the 4th of December right now, there's a couple of these boxes that are already gone, but if you do it right now with the link at the top of the description, you can go ahead and open a free box. So basically each month they go ahead and they give away 3 major items, and they do give away a couple other items as well, like 10 items. Basically what you have to do is play on their website, and for every dollar you spend you get 1 point. So the more points you accumulate, the higher chances you have at being number one. The number one person last month actually won a pair of Adidas sneakers. Not gonna lie, I wouldn't wear these sneakers myself, but if you don't like them, you can always go ahead and resell them and make some free money. So hey, that's not bad in my opinion. Once again, they do give free things away each and every day until Christmas, which is really sick that they're even doing that in the first place. Alright, so I know you guys can see that I got a whole different hoodie on. I got a different color beanie, but that is because I took a little slight break in between. But we are back real quick, and we are going to get into some of these boxes. But I do have to say that when it comes to these boxes, normally when you go for the cheaper ones, you don't end up getting nothing that's really too expensive. But when you go and buy the more expensive boxes, you obviously have a bigger chance at buying something that's worth it. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do here today. I'm gonna go ahead and open some of the more expensive boxes and see if we get lucky. Hopefully we do. Go ahead and smash the like button for some luck for your boy Nori, because I low-key do need it right now. Hopefully we do get something good, but I'm gonna go ahead and check out some of these boxes. First of all, I don't want to spend too much or too little, so I'm gonna stay like in this 50 range, 40 range. I'm gonna check out the Hypebeast collections box. I don't feel like I'm gonna win off the rip, because like I said before, this is provably fair for anybody who uses the website. $51 box. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump the gun, open it, and hopefully we can get something good from this. So basically all you have to do is just pop the lid on it and you're good to go. So let's pop the lid. Boom. We got a blue, which isn't that bad. This is a Bape hand towel. I did lose probably like $30, which is not the best. Somebody just won some Balenciagas. What is going on? No, I need to be in their shoes. Let's go ahead and just keep trying real quick. We do have this Yeezy collection box. Let's go ahead and try and pop this one open. Yeah, let's go for this one real quick. Hopefully we get something good, bro. Come on. I need a red, bro. A blue, like... Okay, we're just gonna keep trying. Let's not give up. That's one thing that I don't want to do. We got this Nike guaranteed box for $90, or this Nike premium. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the broke boy version, the $62 one. Let's slide the lid. Yo, cross your fingers that I get a red right now. Come on, let me get a red, bro. I got a blue. Like, what is going on actually right now? Let's try this Nike versus Adidas box. Hey, come on, let me just get a red, bro. Another blue? They are tweaking, bro. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and try for another Nike premium box. I've been throwing all my money at Nike. I'm just hoping that I get a big W. Let's just hope and let's see, bro. Let me get a red. Oh shit! I just got Just Don 2s. That's crazy. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, bro, what? Yo, it says I could sell these for $550. I'm keeping them. Like, this is all me right here. Yo, I'm lit to the tit right now. That's so dope. Let's go, bro. I'm gonna sell these wristbands and this sticker. I'm gonna sell all that, and let's see if we have enough to buy another Yeezy box. I'm gonna try and get another Yeezy box. If we can't, we can't. I am amped right now, bro. What the Yo, I got a $550 pair of sneakers. That's crazy. Like, what? I was expecting like maybe some light work Yeezys, some Air Force Ones or something like that. I got Just Dons. Like, what? That is crazy, bro. Crazy talk. Let's open this Yeezy box right here. I'm feeling it, bro. I am feeling it right now. Let's go. Yo, I don't even know what to say. Let's go, son. Let me just get a red real quick. Let's finish off weak sauce. I finished off weak sauce, but it doesn't even matter. I don't know what to say, bro. Like, I just ended up getting some crazy shit. I'm gonna open this HYBE budget box. I guess I could open it 2 more times. I'm just gonna pop the top on this one twice and see if we get anything cool, which I doubt, honestly, but let's just try. You never know. Let's open this one again. Matter of fact, let's go for the cool gadget box. I'm pretty sure I'd be able to do it twice. Pop the top on them one time. We got a whistle, my people. That is not the way to go. And low-key, that's pretty much it for what I could get. I did get this Bape hand towel, which is pretty sick. And I got the Just Dons, bro. I got Just Don 2s. That shit is crazy. I'm gonna check how much they go for on StockX in my size. I feel like they probably go for more than that, but let's just see, bro. Just Don 2. You're kidding right now. That's nuts, bro. That's nuts. Yo, that is so crazy. I ended up getting some Just Dons, so I'm gonna check out on these. But yo, leave a like on this video if you did enjoy. Make sure you go ahead and click that link at the top of the description to check out HYBE.com. They just came through for the boy, bro. I was not expecting this whatsoever, honestly. Like, that's insane. I'm super amped, bro. Hopefully we do get to work with them again, because this is crazy. But let me know down below if you did enjoy this video by leaving a like. Comment what you think about the Just Don 2s. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel.